Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to share a very special recipe with you all that I have learned from my sister. If you have such kind of ripened bananas, then please don't throw them away. You can use them to make perfectly baked banana breads, and these are really healthy and delicious as well. So let's start making it. First of all, you have to peel these bananas. So now what we have to do, we have to mash them by using a fork. No need to use a machine or anything, you can just mash them with a fork. If you have small bananas, then you can take 5 to 6 bananas. These are large enough, so I am just taking 2 bananas. Now you have to add some liquid ingredients. Half a cup of milk, half cup melted butter or vegetable oil. It's up to you. If you want to use vegetable oil, then it's okay, otherwise you can use melted butter. 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, give it a very good mix. No need to use any beater in the machine. Now you are going to add 1 cup powdered sugar. I am using brown sugar. You can use white sugar as well. And a pinch of salt. When you are making any sweet dish, you can include a pinch of salt and you can see the difference in the flavor. Now mix it well. You are going to add 1.5 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder in it, and just gently sift the flour. Now very nicely we are going to fold everything. Okay, so now you are going to take a baking tray and grease it well. In this way your batter is not going to stick with the base. So first I am going to spread this sheet in this direction, and a little bit layer of oil here as well, and then this sheet. Now transfer all the batter inside this bin. Pat this nicely once you are done with filling, so that the air bubbles can release, and you should leave at least 1/4 of the area empty so that it can rise. Now if you want, you can decorate it with this big banana like this. Also you can add chunks of walnuts. Okay, so finally our banana bread is baked and you can see the results. Let it cool for a while. See how easily it comes out of this baking pan. Here you are going to shift this inside the splitter. Now you can see how nicely this is baked. Finally, your banana bread is ready. You can just make pieces. Here you can see this is the texture. See how smooth, how soft it is looking. I hope you like it. If you like the recipe, do comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and Allah Hafiz.